How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing Total Chaos Fabrication bed stiffeners in your 2018 Tacoma. So without further ado, let's do this. Some tools you're going to need for this job include a 5/16 drill bit, 10mm socket, 1/2 inch socket, 5/8 inch socket, a 1/2 inch ratchet, 3/8 inch ratchet, 1/2 inch wrench, a T40 Torx, T55 Torx, a torque wrench, a compact drill, your bed stiffeners, along with your included hardware. You're going to want to remove the 10mm bolt as shown here, as well as the two 10mm bolts holding in your taillight. To get your taillight out, you're going to want to take a T55 Torx bit, remove your bed bolt, then a T40 Torx bit to remove your factory tie-down mount. As shown here, when you take the tie-down mount out, there is washers and spacers in very specific orientation. You have to put that back in with the new bolt in that exact order. Once you get the bed bolt and tie-down mount out, you're going to want to install the new bolt. Like I said, you're going to want to keep it in this exact same orientation as before. You're going to want to tighten that bolt down until it's snug. Then you're going to want to use your OEM 10mm bolt, and that down until it is snug as well. Then install your OEM bed bolt. Once you have all those snug down, you're then going to want to take your compact drill along with your 5/16 drill bit and begin drilling the 3 holes. Once you have all 3 holes drilled out, you're then going to want to use your 1/2 inch socket along with the included bolt, washer, and lock nut, then your 1/2 inch wrench, and tighten down all 3 holes. Once you have everything tightened down, you're now going to want to torque everything. Your 5/8 inch bolt, you're going to want to torque that down to 50 foot-pounds. Your bed bolt, which is the T55 Torx, you're going to want to torque that down to 60 foot-pounds. The 3 bolts you drilled out, you're going to want to use your 1/2 inch socket, torque those down to 18 foot-pounds, and then your stock 10mm bed bolt, you're going to want to tighten that down to 10 foot-pounds. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button, and if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. So I'm going to be doing a lot more mods to my Subi, which I've already ordered, but unfortunately are getting a little delayed due to the COVID-19 virus. As always, please remember you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!